Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition, or actually the second edition of HRD 685, 87, 98, and 99. So as you know, this course has different components. They're individual courses, but they are very similar, so therefore they're taught as one course. And this is a course that is self-directed on your part. There are certain things that you're going to be asked to do, including check-ins with discussion forums, and then we have reflection papers, and then there's a product. So I'll try to be brief with this one. What I'd like you to do this week is really a continuation of what you were doing last week. This is something that I think you're going to have to get used to. There are certain things that I will ask you to do, but really this is a self-directed. This is really a graduate seminar that is self-directed by you. So as you can see from the screen, here's the week 1 video. Week 2 video is going to be down here. I'm recording that as we speak. There may be a video every week, but there may not be. It really depends on what is due at that point. So I won't repeat these. This is from last week and last week video, distance resources, any kind of feedback. So in this week, I'd like you to participate in a discussion forum. The discussion forum is here. You click on that. Now, this class is full of seasoned pros that have taken many graduate courses. You know the drill. You click on that. And for our first discussion post, I'd like you to do a few things. First of all, introduce yourself. Who you are, whatever you want to explain, or what do you want to introduce yourself. Anything. You could include pictures, you could include anything that you want, but please introduce yourself. Introduce your project, your internship, and just so we have an idea of what you're going to be working. Are you doing an independent study? Are you doing a directed study? Are you doing an internship? You're part of the CAS program. Please, and what do you hope to learn this semester? Share what you've already completed and the resource you found. Share what support you may need. And, this could be something that, gee, I wish I had an expert on knowledge of this subject that you're working on. And so that's the discussion forum. That's a to-do item this week. And then I'd like to mention to everybody, now the next discussion forum doesn't come, for those that have taken classes with me, I do a weekly video, but this one, all of the materials really for the class are located here. We don't do another discussion until October 3rd through the 9th. So let me come down here, and I'll move this around to make it easier for you where you can find it. So in here, discussion, right here, optional Zoom meeting. I'm going to hold an optional Zoom meeting for anybody that wants to show up. This is pretty much a question and answer. As you can see, this is a self-directed course. No, there's been some questions coming my way about the course, about specific items in the course. You're doing an internship. You're pretty much being self-directed, but I am going to hold an optional Zoom meeting on September 8th, which is Thursday. You just click on that. And here's all the pertinent information. Beyond the class Zoom, this is optional. I will post, if anybody shows up, or we have 5 people, I will record that and post it the next day. So if you can't make it, don't worry. You will be able to look at the recording the next day. And, sometimes these Zoom meetings only have 1 or 2 people in it, and they are relatively short. So let me go back to the big page. So that is, we have the discussion, Zoom meeting. Let me move this up so it's just it's before that. So I just moved that up. So there we go. Beyond that, you can look through the other materials, but that is it. That's all I have this week. I hope you're making progress on your whatever project you're working on, or you're doing your internship. we'll have an opportunity to talk about that on the Zoom session. But the big thing for this week is to continue working on your projects, and also give us an update of what's going on, who you are, what are you working on, what kind of help you need in the discussion forums. So that's it for me. I hope you have a great week, and if you can make the Zoom, that would be wonderful. If not, don't worry, I will record them. We'll see you, everybody.